Hi everybody. Today I want to just show you my complete water purification system. Starting from the left, there is a Ziploc bag to put everything in. I have a smart water bottle that's cut down to be a scoop. I have a C-Noc 2-liter bag to put the dirty water in. There is a Ziploc bag to put the Sawyer squeeze filter in, 2 spare washers, a tornado tube, and a coupler. 2 is 1, 1 is none. A spare cap for the smart water bottle and a smart water bottle. And I will be carrying 2 to 3 smart water bottles. 2 will probably be empty, 1 will be full of fresh water. My entire water filtering system, less the smart water bottle, the C-Noc, and the funnel, weighs 3.9 ounces. Now let me just hook this up and I'll show you how the water filtering system works. Okay, the first thing that you start with is gathering your dirty water that you need to filter. So if the water supply is very shallow, then you will use this scoop to scoop the water out, and then you'll fill the C-Noc bag. Or if the water source is rather deep, then you can just pull the top of this off, open it up, and you scoop the water into it. Now ordinarily this cap will be on the bottom, but once you get all your water inside here, you attach your Sawyer squeeze filter, and then you attach your smart water bottle to the filter, and then all you do is squeeze the C-Noc, the water filters through there and into the smart water bottle. Next, I'll show you a quick hack that you can do to make your water filtering much easier. The hack is pretty simple. Take some Z-line, some Dyneema Z-line, which, let me tell you, I bought 50 feet of that Z-line and I use it for everything. It's so lightweight. I keep a hunk of it in my ditty bag and use it all the time. Take a carabiner, cut a length of Dyneema line, tie 2 non-slip knots in the ends, and then run that through your C-Noc bag or other bag. And then all you do is find a branch or something to hang this on, and basically hang that over the branch. Now your bag is hanging, and you let gravity do the work. At the bottom of this bag, you're going to have your Sawyer squeeze, like so, and then you will attach your smart water bottle to the bottom of this. So all that will be hanging from a tree branch, and you won't need to squeeze that. Now you will have to wait. It will take a few minutes. You need a 10-minute to 15-minute break anyways when you get water. So why not let that do its job. The last thing I'm going to cover are these 2 couplers. This one is called a tornado coupler, and basically it makes a little swirl happen and your bottles feed from one to another quickly. And this one I use to flush my Sawyer squeeze. The torpedo tube is used to transfer water from one bottle to another. The other coupler that I have is the short one that came with the Sawyer squeeze, and that's what I use to back flush the filter. So you notice that the flow goes down into the bottle. To back flush it, you want to go in the reverse directions. Take a bottle with clean water, clean filtered water, attach that coupler to the Sawyer squeeze, and then turn this upside down and squeeze the bottom bottle. That will back flush the Sawyer squeeze. And by the way, that is the rubber washer that everybody loses, and that's why you want to carry a spare. This is just a garden hose washer. Basically, it will fit right in there. Last thing that I want to show you is what most thru hikers do after a while. They don't want to take the time to filter their water from the C-Noc into the smart water bottle, so all they do is fill the smart water bottle with water, and then they attach the Sawyer squeeze directly to the smart water bottle, and then this cap right here allows you to open and close and suck water out of it. So basically you're filtering water on the fly. But if you do that, make sure you remember that that smart water bottle had dirty water in it, and if you're going to use filtered water in it, you have to wash it thoroughly. One more tip that I will give you: bring a spare cap for your smart water bottles instead of just the sealed end cap, because if you want to drink out of this on the fly from your clean water bottle, it's nice to have this, and these break. I've dropped the water bottle and these are kind of brittle and they'll break. So if it breaks and you don't have a spare, then you're not in very good shape. These things snap down and they sort of seal, and they're nice to have. If you are going to hike in colder weather below freezing, you cannot let the Sawyer squeeze freeze. If it freezes, it's no longer any good. It will not filter water. So what you want to do is get yourself a small freezer bag, put your filter in the freezer bag, seal this up good. You can actually back flush this by just blowing on it. It will get some of the water out. Then take this and roll it up and sleep with it. Put this inside your quilt with you and sleep with it. That way it won't freeze. And during the day, if you're hiking in below freezing weather, put it in a pants pocket or an inner pocket that's close to your skin, and that will keep it from freezing. And this Ziploc bag contains the Sawyer squeeze, the spare cap, 2 spare washers, the tornado tube, the coupler, and it will fit in the pocket on your pack, on your hip belt. And there are all 3 things that I use to filter water. So I hope everybody's having a great day. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And I hope all of you have a great day. Thanks for watching.